ready to face the fury of nature? Welcome to Protect Nature, where haunting images will keep your eyes glued to the screen. Ferocious storms tear everything apart, and raging floods sweep entire cities away, leaving behind a scene of devastation that is truly terrifying. Each image serves as a testament to nature's destructive power and a desperate call to action. Do you have the courage to witness the challenges our Earth is facing? Let's explore together and find solutions for this planet right now. The fierce flood surged in, sweeping away everything in its path, toppling houses with a deafening roar. The sudden earthquake shook the ground, causing the home's yard to collapse with a deafening roar. The colossal tornado swept up everything in its path, wielding destructive power, producing a rumbling roar. The terrifying landslide struck suddenly, with soil and rocks cascading down like a torrent, burying homes and causing them to collapse. The cutting storm struck like a sharp blade, with howling winds and torrential rain sweeping through everything in its path. The house collapsed in an instant, the sound of splintering wood and crumbling concrete echoing horrifically, leaving behind rubble. The landslide struck suddenly, with soil and rocks tumbling down like a fierce waterfall, sweeping away trees and everything in its path. The fierce storm swept through, carrying away all the debris on the road, creating a chaotic whirlwind. The tornado swept up everything in its path, from trees to belongings, creating a scene of chaos and destruction. The terrifying tornado swept up mud and rocks, forming a colossal whirlwind that wiped away everything in its path. The massive explosion erupted like thunder, causing thousands of people to flee in panic amid the chaos. The violent landslide caused the entire mountain range to collapse with a thunderous roar. The house suddenly collapsed with a thunderous roar, chunks of walls and roof tiles flying in all directions. The landslide in the hills struck suddenly, with soil and rocks rushing down like a furious waterfall. The sudden collapse of the hydroelectric dam unleashed a torrent of water that surged like a massive flood. The violent landslide sent large boulders tumbling down with tremendous force, producing a thunderous sound like thunder. The colossal tornado swirled fiercely in the sky, drawing in dark, ominous clouds, creating a scene that was majestic yet menacing. The house suddenly collapsed with a terrifying rumble, chunks of walls and roof tiles shattering. The The landslide of blackened soil and rocks roared down like a torrent, sweeping everything in its path, creating a chaotic and threatening scene. The tornado swirled powerfully in the sky, resembling a colossal pillar, drawing everything into its grasp. The storm swept in with a swirling cloud of dust, creating a dense curtain that obscured everything, making visibility poor. The landslide occurred suddenly, with soil and rocks rushing down, forming a thick cloud of dust. The colossal tornado spiraled in the sky, forming a terrifying yet wondrous shape. The massive ice mountain avalanched into the water with a thunderous crash, sending gigantic ice blocks tumbling down and creating huge waves. The strong wind swept through, knocking over an entire row of vehicles like fallen chess pieces. The flood surged in like a massive torrent, sweeping away everything in its path. The storm slashed through like a sharp blade, with howling winds and torrential rain sweeping away everything in its path. The powerful waves crashed against the side of the boat, splashing water everywhere and leaving the vessel drenched and rocking in the sea. A sudden hailstorm poured down, with icy stones falling like bullets, striking rooftops and the ground. The volcano bubbled violently, with streams of glowing red lava spilling from its mouth, accompanied by growling sounds like a monster. The tornado swept up dust and sand from the soccer field, forming a massive whirlwind that cleared everything. The sudden snow avalanche crashed down, with large blocks of snow sliding down the mountainside, burying the road under a thick layer of snow. The flood surged as if it wanted to soar into the sky, with powerful waters engulfing everything. The snow avalanche struck suddenly, with massive blocks of snow sliding down with tremendous force. The fierce storm struck, with strong winds causing roofs to blow off and trees to fall, creating a chaotic scene. The storm struck suddenly, with strong winds causing ancient trees to sway and topple. The ice avalanche struck suddenly, with massive blocks of ice tumbling down with tremendous force. The massive flood surged in, sweeping away everything in its path, from trees to homes, unleashing an unimaginable destructive force. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to discover some of the most spectacular and impressive natural phenomena. The powerful moments we witnessed not only showcase the immense power of Mother Nature, but also remind us of the importance of protecting the environment and preparing for emergencies. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future exciting content. Every small action of yours can make a big difference for the future of the Earth. Together, we will protect our common home and build a greener, more sustainable planet. See you in the next videos.